This video we're going to show you how to remove the radio CD player with the screen from a Honda Odyssey 2014, which is similar to the other years. The tools that you need is just this yellow dashboard removal tool and Phillips screwdriver plus 8mm socket. The first step, you pop out the panel on the passenger side dashboard. It doesn't have any screws, it's just those clips which holding the panel to the dashboard. The next step, you pop out the bezel around the AC vents and the air conditioning control. You just and then disconnect the two connectors for the AC connector and plus the one for the hazard switch. There's 3 connectors. And this panel also does not have any screws, it's just the clips which holding the panel. After you remove these two, and then you pop out the plastic cover around the shifter. You just put it on the side, and here all of the screws for the center console cover is all exposed. There are 2 on this side and then 2 on the driver's side. Once you remove those screws, then you can pull the center console forward. And you can see these clips, they separate from the radio. To lose and then dislodge this center console, you need to remove the cover on the side panel first, and then take one screws out, the mounting screws for the center console. And you do the same thing on the driver's side. You remove the cover and then you remove the screw. And after that, then you can lose this center console and then pull it forward, and then it separates from the radio, and then you can take the screws out, the mounting screws for the radio and CD player. And there are 4, 2 on the passenger side and 2 on the driver's side. And once you get these 4 screws out, you can remove the whole radio, CD player, and if the car has navigation, you can remove them. And these are all the connectors on the back of the unit. And that's it. And if you need any repair for the radio, CD player, the navigation unit, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.